Hey guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about black hat SEO techniques. So I am basically giving this video in order to give you information about black hat SEO, because you need to know that which are the two types of SEO. First one, white hat SEO, which I already explained, and now I will explain black hat SEO. So there are these things which causes black hat SEO. The first one is paid links. So what are paid links? Paid links is an example of black hat SEO where you give some website, that may be a small website or that may be a big website, you give them some money to backlink you. As I already explained, that backlink means someone in their own websites just mentions your website's link, or they just hyperlink a word towards your website. So that is what is called backlinking. So paid backlinking, this is basically paid backlinking, that is known as paid links. So this is a black hat SEO techniques, a technique which is used by most of the black hat SEO experts. So now let's talk about spam comments. So what are these comments? I am giving you an example. You can see right here. Yeah, so you can see this whole comment which you are seeing here. Have you ever seen something like that appear in your website too? So this is what is known as spam comment, which doesn't have any meaning. See, URL. Now people are so smart that they can also understand what is a spam comment and what is not spam comment, and even search engines are smarter to understand which are the spam comments or which are not. So this is not as spam comments. This also is a black hat SEO technique. The third one is duplicating content. As I already told you, that duplicating content means in order like keyword stuffing. So if you are writing a word, then you are just duplicating it. For example, if I am writing about digital marketing, then in my blog, if I have 100 words blog, then I will write around 50 to 60 times digital marketing without any use. So this is known as duplicating content. Now the fourth one is cloaking. So cloaking is a method by which you show something else to the search engine spider crawlers, which I already explained, and something else is shown to the user. Means you are basically trying to cheat the search engine bot or that crawling spider. You show them something else and you show the user something else. So this is technique is basically very difficult, and this is only used by SEO experts who are black hat SEO experts. So now the fifth one is hidden text. So what are hidden text? For example, in a website, let's take an example that this is here. So if I write here that hello, or hello, so then I just click over here and I go to color changing, and I just change it color to white, no color, just keep no color, and now here to white. Let me select it. Okay, so let me take it to white. So now you can see, and okay, so first let me, okay, so now you saw that the whole thing disappeared. So this is what is known as hidden text. They just disappear the whole content which is which you can't see here. So this same thing happens in the websites. They just disappear, make this sentence or make a word particularly disappear, make their keyword disappear. For example, if I have a website name digital marketing, or I have a blog based on digital marketing, so I will write various words. Let me make it visible first. Okay, so let me let me make it visible. So now if I want to write this thing, duplicating content, they just duplicate this word and they put all over their website, and they change their font color to white so that it becomes invisible to the reader, but it is visible to the search engine. So this is the this helps in ranking, and this is basically black hat SEO. So please don't try to copy it. And another thing is that there is no shortcut to success. If you want to be successful, you have to take time. But if you get, I know that you can get very early success. Means the people say that I can get success by Black Hat SEO. Yeah, if you learn Black Hat SEO, then you will definitely rank your website in just a month or two, but that success would not be permanent. Your website would get banned eventually, or if you are earning so much from your website, then eventually one day your website would be banned or removed from Google, by Google. So that's why I say that always do white hat SEO or always do clean techniques. Now the next thing is keyword stuffing. As I already mentioned you, it is similar as duplicating content. It means that it is a bit different, because in this thing you just unnecessarily stuff your keyword, but in duplicating content you stuff